With a name like Jet.AI, you'd think there'd be excitement about a relatively new aviation technology company founded in 2018 that combines private aviation services with artificial intelligence. And, well, maybe there was some enthusiasm for about 7 years, because in February 2025, Jet.AI announced a proposed transaction with flyExclusive to spin off and sell its fractional and jet card aviation assets, leading to Jet.AI operating solely as an AI-focused software and intellectual property company. Ultimately, flyExclusive agreed to acquire Jet.AI's aviation business in an all-stock transaction, following Jet.AI's spin-off of the assets into a new entity, SpinCo. Jet.AI shareholders retained their JTAI shares and also received Class A flyExclusive stock. As detailed in last February's shareholder letter, Jet.AI explained that scaling fractional aviation independently would be capital-intensive and slow, while flyExclusive's larger fleet and infrastructure offer a faster path to value creation. Jet.AI's refocus as a pure-play AI company is meant to build on products like Ava, CharterGPT, Reroute AI, and DynoFlight AI, while addressing infrastructure constraints that limit AI performance. The plan to enter AI data center development was based on management citing strong economics, roughly $10 million per megawatt to build, $1 million NOI per megawatt, and significant value creation at market cap rates, with long-term expansion potential up to 1 gigawatt. Oh, and before we go on, there'll just be flight-related footage here, since Jet.AI hasn't released videos on anything data center related yet. At the core of its concrete plans, Jet.AI and Consensus Core Technologies entered into a joint venture to develop 2 hyperscale AI data center campuses in Canada, targeting a combined 1.5 gigawatts GW of power capacity to meet growing AI compute demand. The Midwestern project, currently operating at 2 megawatts, is expected to scale to 100 megawatts within 12 months, while the Maritime project will start at 40 megawatts and ultimately exceed 1 gigawatt. Each megawatt of capacity is projected to generate roughly $1 million in annual net operating income, NOI, giving long-term potential of $1.5 billion in NOI once fully built and tenanted. Jet.AI plans an initial $2 million investment to secure a 20% general partner interest in each project and an 8% equity stake in the JV's holding company, with the option to increase its total commitment up to $20 million for a 19.9% ownership. Milestone-based funding will guide the phase development, leveraging the sites, strategic access to high-voltage power lines, natural gas pipelines, and potential renewable energy sources. The Midwestern site also benefits from natural cooling and on-site power generation potential. Specifically, the 350-acre site 10 miles south of Winnipeg, Manitoba, offers advantages like 2,000 megawatts of hydroelectric power via Bipole 3 HVDC, a 115 kV transmission corridor, access to natural gas infrastructure, and major fiber routes for low-latency connectivity across Canada and the U.S. Consensus Core, an NVIDIA cloud service partner, provides deep technical expertise in GPU infrastructure, AI cloud services, and hyperscale data center buildouts. So far, Jet.AI contributed $1.7 million, while Consensus Core contributed 100% equity of the Midwestern project, released mortgage liens, and signed a letter of intent to acquire 350 adjacent acres. The joint venture assumed $1.8 million in debt and accrued interest. The next milestone focuses on power infrastructure, including transmission studies, natural gas supply for turbines, and securing wind power for the Maritime site, with Jet.AI contributing an additional $2 million. Founder Mike Winston highlighted abundant energy resources at the sites and emphasized turning this advantage into operational progress. Similarly, Jet.AI plans a joint venture with Choo Choo Express LLC to develop a 50-megawatt data center campus on roughly 20 acres in Moapa, Nevada, less than an hour from Las Vegas. Jet.AI expects to commit $10 million over 2 years, contingent on achieving development and infrastructure milestones, while Choo-Choo Express would contribute the land, pending due diligence and definitive agreements. The site, adjacent to a former coal-fired power plant, offers existing utilities, including electric transmission, natural gas, fiber, water, and transportation access, supporting hyperscale AI workloads and low-latency connectivity to California and the Southwest. Jet.AI highlighted that CCE personnel bring experience from core scientific data center projects. Illustrative economics suggest a fully developed 50-megawatt facility could carry an enterprise value of approximately $500 million, with equity split 70% to Jet.AI and 30% to Choo-Choo Express. The term sheet includes an exclusivity period for negotiating definitive agreements, pursuing entitlements, and assessing utilities and environmental requirements. Now, if you like learning about interesting stocks like Jet.AI, check out other recent uploads. You'll likely find something you like which the algorithm didn't recommend. Plenty on aviation and AI recently. Also, please like and share this video with your fellow aviation and AI enthusiast friends on places like Reddit, X, Telegram, StockTwits, and your own group chats. Sharing and liking the video also helps informative videos like this come out faster to people like you who will enjoy them. And as always, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.